What is blood? Blood is made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. A blood group is identified by antibodies and antigens in the blood. Antibodies are proteins found in the plasma, while antigens are protein molecules found on the surface of red blood cells. Scientists use OAB system and rhesus factor or Rh factor system to classify blood types. There are four main blood types: type O, type A, type B, and type AB, and your blood type is determined by the genes you inherit from your parents. Each group can be either Rhd positive or Rhd negative, which means in total there are 8 blood types. Blood typing is critical for blood transfusion. If we're giving a transfusion to a person, it is necessary to determine the blood type of the recipient's blood and the blood type of the donor's blood so that the blood can be appropriately matched. The rule is simple. Patients should not be given antigens that their own blood does not have. This is because the recipient's immune system may recognize any new antigen as foreign and develop antibodies to target it for destruction. So now let's talk about the tissue and organ transplantation. Transplant is an organ, tissue, or a group of cells removed from the donor and surgically transplanted into another person who is very ill or dying from an organ failure. And it can be moved from one site to another site in the same person. So this part is types of transplantation. The first one is autograft. It is a transplant from one part of your body to another part, and the process is called autotransplantation. These are some examples of autografts. It includes skin graft, blood vessel graft, bone graft, and bone marrow graft. The second one is allograft. It is a transplant between two people who are not genetically identical, and the process is called allotransplantation. The next one is isograft. It is a transplant between identical twins. And the last one is xenograft. It is a transplant from a non-human animal to a human being, or from an animal of one species to one of another species. And the process is called xenotransplantation. That's all. Thank you for watching. God bless.